Uh-oh, sleepyhead. Time to wake up, Ducky.
Pumpkins! Today, Ducky, we pick the biggest pumpkins.
What are they up to?
Vroom, vroom. Setty for an adventure, Ducky. Whoopee! Look at all the pumpkins, Ducky. We're almost there. Oh no! They're here already!
Needs to be just right. This one. Perfect.
Aha! My secret lair.
Look at these perfect pumpkins, Ducky. We'll have the best harvest yet.
Almost there, Ducky. The best pumpkins are always just a little further.
Whoa, this one is heavy. Hey, knock it off! I'm trying to hide here. Almost full, Ducky! What a harvest!
We did it, Ducky! The biggest pumpkin yet! Yay!
Whoa! This is a wild ride!
Good job, Ducky! Our biggest harvest yet.
Whew, finally! Free! A pumpkin monkey!
Thanks for the ride and the snack.
Well, I guess we picked a surprise pumpkin, Ducky. Best pumpkin day ever, even with a little unexpected visitor.
Almost perfect, little boots. Time for a big day.
Oh dear, the barn is quite a mess again, isn't it, Ducky? Time for a big cleanup. Broom and bucket, ready! We'll sweep all the dust, make it sparkling clean, Ducky. Lots to do here. Max is ready.
Sweep, sweep, sweep. Almost done. Almost.
Almost. Is that? Just my ears.
egg.
In the...
Must stop. Stop. Whoa!
OFF. PULL.
Finally!
Oh dear. Now it's a muddy pond. Max's barn. Ducky, my little helper.
Oh, Ducky. You always keep things interesting, huh? Well, back to work. But different work.
Oh, Ducky.
More help?
Well, Ducky, we tried. And we're still friends, right?